Hey, welcome back to Beyond Renewals and our mini series, The AI Shift in Customer Success. In this episode, we're unpacking one of the most misunderstood and most powerful applications of AI in customer success: health scores. You'll hear why static models don't cut it anymore, how AI helping us get smarter and more predictive, and how you can build your own smarter scores, even without a data team. Let's be honest, most health scores these days are outdated. They're rigid, built on static rules, and often reflect internal opinions more than customer reality. And you end up with green accounts that churn and red ones that renew, and very little insight into why that's happening. That's where AI comes in, not to replace health scores, but to make them smarter. So let's discuss what are these AI driven health scores? So the AI driven health scores, I think, are dynamic because they adapt in real time as customer behavior changes. It's much more predictive. They don't just tell you what is, but they hint at what's coming. It's multidimensional. They consider dozens of signals at once: usage, sentiment, support, engagement, and much more. Now imagine a score that picks up on negative sentiment in support tickets, drop in feature usage after a new release, slow response to CSM emails, or lack of executive involvement in QBRs. Now, AI can synthesize all of this and raise a red flag before it's too late. And here's the best part: you don't need a data scientist or an expensive CS tool to start using AI in your health scores. We can go ahead and discuss a clear roadmap, and I'm going to share some tips with you that you can follow as a solo CSM or a CSM leader. Here we go. Step number one: inventory your signals. Make a list of what you already have: your product usage metrics like your logins, features, time spent, or any other metrics that you have. Next is the engagement data: the number of calls that you have booked, the emails that have been sent, the attendance that you have seen. Number three is support. Now, support and feedback data, it's important to have those ticket counts, the CSATs, the NPS. And if you start with just these three buckets, you can create a powerful and meaningful score to start with. And how you can get started? There are a couple of easy ways that I can share with you. Start small with tools like ChatGPT. Feed it a CSV of users and support data and ask it to spot risk patterns. I will share a sample file with you attached to this episode. You can download that and you can use that, or you can create your own version as well. The other thing that you can use is Google Sheets plus an AI plugin. Use functions that auto score or summarize the comments. And there are these CRM tools these days like HubSpot or Salesforce. Tag accounts by signal strength manually if needed. So initially, we have to start small, keep it low code, iterative. You're aiming for insight, not perfection. So it's okay to start small. Number three, Define a simple, transparent score. How do you score it? The action here is to build a basic scoring model. For example, let's say you give 40% weightage to your product usage, 30% to your support interaction, the volume, the sentiment, and then the next 30% to the engagement that you're seeing, the calls, the responses. And based on this, you can create a scale. For example, let's say 80 to 100%, that's green. 60 to 79%, let's say that's yellow. And anything that's below 60, that's red for us. So now we can label accounts, then track how this aligns with renewals or churn, because now you have a clear scaling model or a scoring model which gives you proper indication based on uh, the support interactions, the product uses, the engagement that you're seeing on your accounts. Step number 4 is to visualize and review it on a monthly basis. Put in a spreadsheet or a dashboard. Use the one that I'm sharing, or you create your own. Use some colors, add trends to it. For example, what I'm going to share is a very basic one which will have account name, score, last activity, any change from last month, and my notes. Now, once you have that, look at the patterns, review who's slipping, who surprised you, what's new. Go through those patterns. If you want to use any AI tool, share it with ChatGPT, put it to ChatGPT, let it give its feedback. Step number 5, involve your team. Now, once you have this ready, share what you're seeing with your CS team or with your leadership. Invite some feedback. Let others test and refine what you have already built. Use this to improve your QBR preps or your renewal forecasting. Remember, small iteration leads to big improvements. And just to give you a quick example, one SaaS company I spoke with, they added sentiment scoring from support tickets to their health score. And what they saw was around a 20% improvement in churn prediction just by listening to better tone and context. They were able to improve that. And if you add another layer of engagement signals from your CRM, like executive involvement in QBRs, it can give you much more improved predictions. And just remember, these are not like $1 million solutions. They are small changes powered by AI. And you are leading them, which results into big returns for you. Being a CS individual contributor or a CS leader, this will work for any one of you out there. And AI isn't just for the big players anymore. If you think that you're not in a leadership role and AI is not the right tool for you, that's not true. With the right mindset and a few simple tools, you can start building smarter health scores right now. And in our next episode, we'll take this further and explore how AI can actually help you predict churn and proactively prevent it. So, till then, as always, stay curious, experiment small, and keep going beyond renewals. Thank you.